Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can connect Trust Wallet with Opensea. So I have downloaded both the Trust Wallet and the Opensea app on my phone, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can connect it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future videos. Now let's move on. First step, what you want to do is open Opensea. Once you open Opensea, click and continue with it. Now to connect your Trust Wallet with it, first go on profile. Once you go on profile, you're gonna see the Trust Wallet option over here. Click on Trust Wallet. Once you click on Trust Wallet, wait for some time, and basically it's gonna ask you to log in into your Trust Wallet first. So I'm going to do that by entering my password. And once you enter your Trust Wallet's password and open it up, click and connect, and it says wait for some time. So wait for some time, and after you see where it says unnamed, and under that you see 0x457A, yes, that's when you know that you have connected your Trust Wallet. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can connect Trust Wallet with Opensea. Now you can buy any NFT you want. It's gonna get straight transported into your Trust Wallet. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys on my future video. Bye bye.